So this is a 3-element or 3-compression element simple tensegrity. You can see that the compression elements don't actually touch each other. They're all free floating, and they're attached by this grid of 9 cables. 6 cables are identical. That's the ones that make up this equilateral triangle, and the same on the bottom. And then the different cable is this one, right, which is repeated here and over here. So what this gives you is an XYZ structure that is a tensegrity. Yeah, fun, eh? The force be with you.